Mother, I pray for your blessing with all humility. Give us wisdom to make the world better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other form of lives. May the truth prevail. May the
जिनका अपना अलग मुझे अपना देश प्राणों से प्यारा है। इसकी समृद्धि एवं विविध संस्कृति पर मुझे गर्व है। मैं इसका सहयोग अधिकारी बनने का सदा प्रयत्न करती रहूंगी। मैं अपने माता पिता, गुरुजन एवं सभी बड़ों का सदा सम्मान करूंगी तथा सबके साथ विनम्रता का व्यवहार करूंगी। मैं अपने देश और देशवासियों की शिष्टापूर्वक सेवा करने की प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ। इसके कल्याण और समृद्धि में मेरा सुख नीत है। जय हिंद।
India is my country. All yours are my ancestors. I love my country and am proud of my heritage. I shall always have of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all respect and everyone with courtesy. My country, my people, my school. I pledge my devotion within the well-being, prosperity, all happiness. Jai Hind. That's all. Thank you.
जरूरत है वो हमारे फोटोग्राफर से संपर्क करे। Thank you. Good morning to all the wonderful people present in our annual day to encourage us. It's pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. I heartily welcome our honorable chief guest, our principal, dear teachers, and my friends. It's wonderful to see such amazing gathering in my school today. We all have kids are here for annual day celebration, so I welcome everybody with my pleasant greeting, and I hope program makes you happy. Thank you so much. Enjoy our program.
For your excellent speech. Now I would like to call upon our respected principal sir, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar and navigator of
giving me a chance in this great occasion. First of all, I heartily welcome everybody. There is big crowd, and I heartily thanks to all the parents that you have given me prize time. And today is very a special day, and Baldev Children's Academy students, today they are very happy and very energetic, and they are celebrating annual day. And you all are the audience, and you are supporting our students. So in this occasion, I am here to present my brief presentation of my program. There are many programs in our list, and first of all, unity and diversity, importance of education, internet, save girl child, and many more. I'm going to brief presentation of our program. First is unity and diversity. We all are Indians. We feel very proud being an Indian, because India is the country that is spreading the message in all over the world that we are united. There are many languages spoken in our country. There are many religions found in our country, and all things are unit. But after that, we all Indians respect our Tiranga, and when we respect our Tiranga, when we sing our national anthem, that time we all become more united in our country. And it is the symbol that we are unite, and it is spreading the message in all over the world by our country. And after that, importance of education. Nowadays, air is necessary to take breath, water is necessary to survive our life, and food is necessary to survive in the earth. So, as like that things, education is very necessary. And I'm requesting, I would like to request you on my stage in this program. We are very low thinker in about the girl child. I'm especially request you everybody to educate girl child, because in our society, girls are the pillar of our society, and we are ignoring the girl child. It's very bad, because from ancient time, the people think that the girl child is curse of our society, but it is not good. We have to think we have to change our mind. We have to think about the girl child, because when one girl child become educated, she can become more than 5 and 10%. So in this stage from Baldev Children's Academy, I would like to request you everybody to educate girl child, and same topic is there, save girl child. We all are in our Indian society, our mentality is that the girl child is weaker for our society, and it's a symbol of weakness. It's not good. The girls can do everything as like the boys can do everything. So I especially support the girl child, and whenever I teach the students, that time I encourage my girls and my student, especially for girls. And now in my school, the numbers of girls as students are studying. That's I'm feeling very happy, and you all are supporting. So thank you so much. And once again, I would like to request you, please educate girl child. And in last, internet. We all are living with the social media, and it is sometimes good and sometimes bad, and it totally depends on us that how we can use the internet, because all over the world is unite. It's because of social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and internet, Google, everything. It's good for the student and everywhere, but sometimes it's bad. But it totally depends on us that how we can use. So I would like to tell you once again, everybody, Thank you so much. You all are present and you are giving prize time. Before I start our list program, something I would like to tell you. We all have started our school with the support of my family. I started our school in 2012 with the 3 students, and now we have above 100 students, 1000 students, and above 1000 member in our family. And for loving you and your belief and your support, it's everything is going to true. So I'm doing my work, and there are many problems I'm facing, and you all are supporting us. So once again, I heartily thank you everybody, and encourage our student and take patience. Weather is not good, but we are starting our program, and your support is very necessary. So thank you so much once again. Thank you so much, parents.
Thank you, sir, for your nice speech. Without taking much of your time, permit us to start the program. Now, we are living in free country because of our soldier. The Indian Army is the pride of our nation. The Indian Army is a role model of the people of India. The reason we sleep in peace today at our home is because of they are sleepless at night at border. Soldiers are brave and courageous. The life of soldier is really tough. He is all time on duty, even beyond his normal working hour. He is ready to accept any challenge, anytime, in any part of our country. So, the armed forces are the real guardian of our nation. We must be very proud of all the soldiers in our country. That's all. Thank you.
हमारे भारतीय सैनिक जिनके कारण आज हम सब खुले फिजा में सांस लेते हैं, अपने घरों में चैन से सोते हैं, जिनके कारण हम सब भारतीय अपनी सारी खुशियां मनाते हैं, सारे त्योहार, होली, दिवाली, ईद, दशहरा मनाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे जवान 24 घंटे हमारी सुरक्षा के लिए सीमा में तैनात रहते हैं। इसलिए तो हमारी सेना हमारी शान है, हमारा गर्व है, जो अपनी सारी जिंदगी हमारी सुरक्षा में लगा देते हैं और समय आने पर अपनी जान न्यौछावर कर देते हैं। तो हमें भी चाहिए कि हम अपने